Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Okay. I am doing well. How are you?
I'm also doing well.
Okay. Great. So, can
So,
you
can we start the
proceed?
session?
Okay, okay. You can start. I have, I have already recorded.
Okay, you are recording the session. Am I right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, not an issue. So, tell me, what do you want to ask me? What are the questions? And which topic is going on?
Mm, uh, uh, please tell me about yourself. After that, we can discuss
Yeah,
topic.
sure.
I have a topic.
Sure,
I have.
sure, sure. So, yeah, first I have to introduce myself. Well, as you know that my name is Mansi Bajpayee. I belong to Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur. And if I talk about my education, I have done my Master Subject of English Literature from Dayanand Negro Mahavidyalaya, which is located in the Kanpur University. And right now, I am English trainer. Apart from this, I'm also running my YouTube channel, name of English Dose 27. That's all about me.
My name is Vinod. I am from Madhya Pradesh, India. Nowadays, I am working job. I am
Mhm.
here for practicing because I wanted to improve my skills and I am working, so I need promotion my company. That's why I am here.
That's a good. So where you are doing a job?
What
Where are you doing job? I
I
need to say
am
what is the name
with
of the company? What is the field? What is the work you are doing?
my company name is Capital Eco
Mm-hmm.
Info.
Mm-hmm. Or what is the work? Do you want
My
to
work
share?
is I am data entry specialist.
Okay, okay, that's a good.
I have
Hmm.
our typing work.
So which typing you are doing? Hindi typing, yeah, English typing.
I am doing typing, English typing.
English typing. So I think your speed is too good. Your speed will be good.
Yes, yes, my speed is 20 to 25 only.
Oh, 25 word per minute. Hmm? Okay. You know what? I am master in the Hindi typing. I know very well how to do the Hindi typing. And my speed, if I talk about in Hindi, it's a 30 word WPM.
Okay, you know Hindi typing.
Yeah, I know very well because I am also preparation of the SSC exam, the stenographer. So that the exam leads to typing, and which exam I am preparing, that the means of the Hindi.
Okay,
Yeah. So, is there any questions? Do you have? Do you want to ask me?
please tell me again.
I'm saying, is there any questions? Do you have in your mind which you want to ask me?
I wanted to ask some question how to improve our English language, how to speak real time, how to make sentence real time,
Mm-hmm.
and how to remember vocabulary and how to talk any topic. Mm,
So I think I have given a lots of times answers of that question, but of course I would like to give here. If you have done your all syllabus about the English, so of course you should start the practicing. Practicing is only one method to improve you. The question is that how to improve. So of course you should practice. You need to practice. Okay, wherever you go, whatever you want to do. Just do and set up your mind. You have to do these all are things in English. Suppose that you are thinking, because our minds is running 24 hours. Okay, but we all are thinking as our native language, in our native language. So we should try to divert our mind in English. Okay, that the best things to improve yourself, because we all are making excuses, we don't have a partner to how to improve that, where we have to do practice. So I think we all are only 1%, the alone we can do the practice like a way. So of course you should start the thinking more and more. Whatever you thinking, that doesn't matter. You should just need a one topic. No, you just think whatever is going on your mind. Suppose that as a whatever in your mind, you have to just planning. You are planning to improve your vocabulary. Then you can also translate the these all are sentence. You are planning to set up your home and whatever you want to do. So just think in English, because we all are learning a language. So language needs to practice. So in which segments you are good, you start the practice.
Hello. Sorry.
Hmm. Not an issue. I think you are in your working area.
No, no. I think right now is the machine is playing. That's why I think a voice is coming. Okay, okay. Start. Please start again. We can discuss.
Yeah, you have asked me to how to improve. So I told you these all are things you can do in your journey. So of
Okay.
course you will be.
So, ma'am, I wanted to ask you. So if we go if we go somewhere, if
Hmm.
we go interview, so how to give interview, how to talk interviewer, and how to give interview. This is
How
my
to
question.
how to attempt an interview.
Yes, yes. How
Okay.
to attend?
Hmm. So I think you are going any interviews. You are going to give in the any interview. So it's depend to you. You know very well which field is it that. Okay, if you're okay with the that, sir, I think you should prepare the all questions which is important. Okay, because every field has a different questions. The main question is that if you talk about communication skills, so of course you should start the working on your communication skills, and you should learn the all questions answers, and just give the genuine answer. It should not be learned by the Google. Okay, because you know what, usually what we do, we just, if anybody asks the question, we search on the Google and see that, oh, this is the answer, and we just copy and we paste to that things. So that things we don't have to do in an interview, because interviewers knows very well this material is the pasted. Okay, so you just try to just give the correct answer, the genuine answer, which things you are
Okay.
doing. And the second thing is that you just amass the one thing, it's called to confidence. Confidence is very important. Eye contact is very important. If I'm talking to you, you just look at me. Somewhere what happened with us, if anybody asks the question, we are just looking here and there. Okay, we don't have the power to just contact eye to eye. That the things also matter. There's a basics norms and the rules are important for the interviews.
Okay. So, ma'am, have you given any interview?
Yeah, many times.
Eh, many time you attempt many interview. Okay. So, which is your favorite place in India?
which is my, you know what, I'm not traveler, I'm not fond of travelers, so I don't like to visit here. But if just anybody just asks me which is your favorite place, so of course I would like to visit a Vrindavan. That was a very nice place for me. I really like it. And
Okay.
yeah, Vrindavan.
Okay, so ma'am, do you have any topic we can discuss?
Actually, topic is not in my mind, so how can we discuss? And I think if you want to discuss any topic, so I think we should conduct the another session for the topic, because this videos also have done the 11 minutes, so we don't have a much time to discuss any topics that
Yes.
needs a full time, at least a 15 to 16 minutes we should have. Then we can discuss on any topic. Okay, so I think if we discuss to any topic, so of course in another session we will discuss.
o-
And I think this is a casual conversations, so there's a no need to any topics. Okay, so first thing is that I have a one question for you. As you mentioned me, you are working as a typist. Your job is like a typist. So which types of typing work you are doing? What the material you have you typing?
I have data, Excel data, like
Mhm.
our name, address, date of birth, okay, and qualifications. So, so we type that data. We type that data, and we correct that data.
Mhm.
This is
Okay,
for work.
okay, that's a good. Second question I would like to ask you. What is your future plan? In future, what do you want to become?
Around now I don't have any future plan, but nowadays I am working job, so I wanted to promote in my office.
Mhm. Okay.
Yes, and
Okay, so you just want to permanently typist.
yes. I want work in this company only, and
Okay,
yes.
that's a good. That's a good. Okay. So the third question I would like to hear: what is the need of English? Why you are learning this language? What is the reason behind?
What? Please tell me again.
I'm asking, what is the reason behind to learn English?
Uh, I also told you. I think I am I am improving my English for promotion and promoter. Right now, I am working in agent work. So I want to become manager. Okay.
Okay,
I want-
that's a good. The second thing is that if you are just learning this language just because of to promote promotion of yours, but you are not interested in this language,
What?
I'm asking to you, you just learn this language just because of your promotion and just because of your achievement, which you want to get it. Okay, but you are not interested in this language. Are you interested in this language or not?
I I I interested this language, but this is my need. This is need promotion, and this is need for achievement because English is global language.
Mm-hmm.
If anywhere, any company, any school, university, airport, so this is very important our life. That's why I am
Yeah.
improving.
Uh, I think that's the problem. We are just thinking this language, this is very important. And that's why this language taking a too much advantage. Okay.
Yes,
So first thing is that I think we should need to just change this mentality. This is very important. No, this is not important. This is the only language. And I just add on a one more skill in my personality. That's why I'm learning. Don't share to anyone what is the reason behind why are you learning this language. These things you don't want to share to anyone. This is only language.
Hello.
Mhm. I think you got a call.
I have called that time. That's why I hold.
Okay. So what was I'm saying? I was saying you don't need to share why you are learning this language. Just simply you have to give the answer. I just add a one more skills in my personality. That's why I am learning this language, and I like this language to speak. That's why I'm learning. Okay. Because that the answers is good.
Yes, yes, it is simple as.
No, I'm not talking about the simplest. I'm just talking about the thinkings of the people. Okay, they just think like that. You are learning this language just because of your work. You are not interested in this language. Okay, why we share to real thing from the people? Why I am learning this word language? Okay, you just know that why I am learning, but it's not need to share to other that the things I am learning. That's why I am learning. Just simply said that I like this language. That's why I'm learning. I just want to add one more skill on my personality. That's why I'm learning. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what? The interviews also asked us why are you doing this job? So we cannot say like that. We are just want to earn a money. That's why we are doing a job. Okay. That the things we cannot say. So you have to give the answer as a simply way. Okay. Not a genuine. Some question is not required to genuinely.
Yes.
In company you cannot say I just want to a lots of money. That's why. But the reason is that reality is that I really want to earn a money. Okay, but we cannot share these all ideas front of to our boss and the people. They just think like that people are greedy. That's why. Okay, so
Can you share that?
yeah. So is there any another question do you have you want to ask me? We should wind up this session right now because we have spent up 17 minutes to each other.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I have no question now.
Okay, that's a good. Okay, so well done and all the best for your promotion. You will be. Okay, thanks for joining me. Bye bye and take care.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.